Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Romans 12 verse 21. Be not overcome of evil, but overcome evil with good. So that is the message of the Lord, that you should overcome evil. In your weakness, you should stand and you should call the name of the Lord to help you strengthen in your weak moments. God knows your attitudes. Do not depend on yourselves. Do not welcome the distractions of the enemies. Fight the good fight of faith and you will stand. God is helping you in every way. There is no time of your life that God is not helping. God is always helping you, and God is giving you the arrow to depend in yourself. The arrow to fight the enemy. God is fighting for you and He's moving in your life so deeply. He is turning the waves backward. No weapons of the enemy can penetrate upon you, because God is your shield and your buckler, and you should put your trust to the Lord. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.